Hi, Ayana, how are you today?
I'm perfect. And how are you today?
I'm doing great. I'm extremely happy right now because you're here. I am going to ask you some question. If you allow me, I'll be very happy.
Okay, you can start any types of question. I'm ready for it.
Thank you. Anyway, what's your full name?
My full name is Ayana Rahman.
Great, it's a beautiful name. So, what's your school's name?
My school's name is BM Laboratory School and College Cox's Bazaar.
How's your school?
My school is big and beautiful. All the teachers are qualified with me.
Great. What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Juleka Afsana.
How's your mother?
My mother is beautiful and she is a housewife.
Okay. Do you draw pictures?
Yes, I draw pictures.
What type of pictures do you draw?
I draw sceneries, village sceneries, cartoons, vegetables, fruits, animals, etc.
Great. Do you practice singing?
No, I don't sing.
What do you do in your free time?
I play with my sisters and sometimes I play with my toys in my free time.
Okay. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
Where do you like to travel?
I like to travel in sea beach.
Who helped you to do your homework?
My mother helps me to do my homework.
Great. What's your class role?
My class role is 2.
Good. Will you go to school tomorrow?
No, we have a summer vacation.
Okay. What's your address?
My address is Krishi Office Road, Cox's Bazaar.
Okay. When is your birthday?
My birthday is 26 November.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
Sometimes I celebrate my birthday, but not every year.
Okay. Tell me something about your village.
Okay, so my village is big and beautiful. All the people are so great with me, and there are school, college in my village.
Great. What does your father look like?
My father is handsome and he is a businessman.
Yeah. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Okay. What time is it now?
It's 10 a.m.
Please tell me something about your family.
Okay, there are 5 members in my family. My family is small but beautiful. There are my father, my mother, and we're 3 sisters.
Great. How many days in a week? Can you tell them?
Yes, there are 7 days in a week. They are Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and the last one is Friday.
Good. When do you get up?
I get up early in the morning, like 6 a.m.
Good. What's your hobby?
My hobby is drawing pictures. I like to draw pictures. It gives me pleasure.
Fine. What's the weather like today?
Today's weather is like extremely hot.
What did you do last night?
I studied it last night.
Are you here with anybody?
Yes, I'm here with my father. He's waiting outside.
Yeah, I know it. Are you free tomorrow?
No, I'm not free tomorrow because tomorrow my teacher will come.
Okay. Do you like to go to restaurant?
Yes, I like to go to a restaurant.
Fine. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Jikra and she is very nice with me.
Okay. No more question? Thank you.
Okay, bye.